that is my basic runner level with the auto scroll camera working. Now something else that we should add to this auto scroll camera is if we let the camera get away from us like this, then the player should die to force you to keep up with the camera. So we'll go and add that, but there is one other issue. When we collect our uWin object, which is tagged with uWin, our player script is actually sending us to level 3, which is this level, so we'll just get stuck going to this level. So what we want to do is edit our player script really quick here and find the part where we touch the uWin. So in our player controls, if toucher has tag uWin, instead of going to level 3, it really should be go to next level. That's much better. If we play that now, we can win this level and go to our next level. And there we go. Now we're on our next level and we have our other controls working for our camera. Nice. Let's go and make it so that our auto-scrolling camera will make the player lose if they don't keep up with the camera. So we'll go and edit our auto-scrolling camera. And in our constantly loop, we want to check the X position of the player. We want to check if it's less than our X position, or the camera's X position actually. So we'll go to control flow and grab an if block. And then we want a less than block from operators. Starts out as equals. Change that equals to less than. And then we want X position from transform, X position of myself, but we'll change that to X position of the player from variables. We've got instance player. If the X position of the player is less than the camera's X position, which we can find from looks, camera X, if that's true, that means the player has fallen all the way behind the camera and we should tell the player to die. So we will use our broadcast block from events. Broadcast message, player die. Now we need our player to receive that message. So let's save that and go and edit our player script. Our player needs to receive player die, and we already got that working, so that's good. When I receive player die, I'm doing my die function, which does this, check, sets me alive to false, disables my physics, and sends me to the last level. Good. So let's test that out now. If the camera gets away from us, if we fall too far behind, we'll die, and then game over. Okay, nice. So that is the auto scrolling camera.